The 7 Habits of Millionaires. Anyone can learn these. Have you ever wondered why some people become millionaires while others work just as hard, but never seem to get ahead? It isn't because they were born lucky. It isn't because they earn 10 times more than everyone else. And it certainly isn't because they discovered some secret investment hidden from the rest of the world. The truth is much simpler. Millionaires develop habits that gradually build wealth, while most people unknowingly develop habits that slowly destroy it. The amazing part is that these habits don't require a millionaire's income to begin. They only require consistency. To understand this, let's follow the lives of 2 friends, Alex and Brian. Both are 25 years old. Both graduate from university. Both land jobs at the same company, and both earn exactly the same salary. At first, their lives look almost identical. But over the next 15 years, one becomes financially independent, while the other continues living paycheck to paycheck. The difference isn't their salary, it's the habits they repeat every single day. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. On payday, Brian immediately starts paying bills: rent, utilities, subscriptions, shopping, dining out. Then he tells himself, "I'll save whatever is left." But by the end of the month, there's almost nothing left to save. Alex follows a completely different system. The moment his salary arrives, 20% automatically goes into savings and investments before he spends a single dollar. He treats saving like a mandatory bill, not an optional one. At first, it feels difficult, but after a few months, he adjusts his lifestyle to what remains. Years later, that simple habit has grown into a substantial investment portfolio. Millionaires don't save what's left after spending. They spend what's left after saving. Habit 2. Live below your means.
A year later, both friends receive promotions.
Brian celebrates by upgrading almost everything: a bigger apartment, a newer car, the latest phone, designer clothes. His income increases, but so do his monthly expenses. Alex celebrates too. He buys a few things that genuinely improve his life, but instead of upgrading everything, he invests most of the extra income. Every raise strengthens his financial future instead of simply increasing his lifestyle. Millionaires understand that earning more doesn't automatically make you wealthier. Keeping more does. Habit 3. Never stop learning. After work each evening, Brian spends hours scrolling social media, watching random videos, and consuming entertainment. Alex also relaxes, but he spends part of every day learning. He reads books about business, listens to podcasts, takes online courses, improves his professional skills. Every new skill makes him more valuable. Every book changes the way he thinks. 5 years later, Alex earns promotions and opportunities that Brian never receives. Knowledge compounds just like money. The more you learn, the more valuable you become. Habit 4. Invest consistently. Many people believe investing requires perfect timing. Brian waits. He tells himself, "I'll invest when the market goes down. I'll start next year when I earn more." But those perfect conditions never arrive. Alex ignores the headlines. Every month he invests a fixed amount. Sometimes the market is up, sometimes it's down. He keeps investing anyway. Years pass. His consistency becomes more powerful than perfect timing. Millionaires know that time in the market is usually more valuable than trying to time the market. Habit 5. Think long-term. Brian makes decisions based on what feels good today. Can I afford this vacation? Can I buy this expensive gadget? Can I finance this new car? Alex asks a different question. Will this decision help me 5 years from now? Will it move me closer to financial freedom? That single habit changes almost every decision he makes. Short-term pleasure rarely wins over long-term goals. Millionaires understand that today's decisions create tomorrow's lifestyle. Habit 6. Protect your time. Everyone receives the same 24 hours each day. Brian spends many evenings procrastinating. Hours disappear into endless scrolling, unnecessary meetings, and distractions. Alex plans his week. He schedules important work first. He limits distractions. He says no to activities that don't move him closer to his goals. He understands that money lost can often be earned again. Time lost cannot. Millionaires value time because they know it's their most valuable asset. Habit 7. Build multiple income streams. Brian depends entirely on one paycheck. If his job disappears, so does his income. Alex gradually builds additional sources of income. His investments pay dividends. He starts a small online business. His savings generate interest. Years later, one income stream becomes 3, then 4. Eventually, his money begins working even while he sleeps. When unexpected challenges arrive, Alex remains calm. Brian begins to panic. Millionaires don't depend on one source of income. They build several. 15 years after graduating, both friends look back on their journey. Brian worked hard. He earned promotions. His salary increased several times, yet he still worries about money. Alex also worked hard, but he paired hard work with habits that quietly built wealth every single year. The difference was never intelligence, it was never luck, and it wasn't income. It was daily habits. Small decisions repeated consistently over many years. You don't need to become a millionaire overnight. You only need to start building millionaire habits today. Because your future isn't created by one big decision. It's created by the small habits you choose to repeat every single day. If you can change your habits, you can change your financial future.